We're at Cottage Gardens in Newark to see this bungalow which has been extended. It's in a nice quiet cul-de-sac location and it's got parking for 2 vehicles. So we've got a nice entrance porch just here which leads into the main hallway. So firstly is one of the bedrooms, or perhaps it could be used as a lounge. Got another bedroom just here, really good size. Storage just there. Another bit of storage. And the 4th bedroom just here, which looks out onto the garden. So the bathroom has a shower over the bath. And then leading on, proceed into the kitchen. So again, that also looks onto the rear garden. So moving through, got what's currently being used as the lounge just here. And then this is perhaps playroom, snug, or a further bedroom. So there's lots of scope for how you could use the property. It's also another WC just here, which is really handy. So leaning through, we've got a very good sized utility, which goes out onto the rear garden. So it's rather level. You've got the oil tank nicely tucked away. And storage sheds just there, so very good size. And that's located in Newark.